Hello everybody, Train Spot here, and today we're back at Rainhill to give this station another try. And train that's now going past is a locomotive. And I apologize for the drilling. There's people chopping down a tree. And that is a good start on our video. So, we'll be seeing services from Northern and Expand Express, and sometimes freights. Oh, and I know what you all are thinking. Why am I transporting at Rainhill when my vote has no Rainhill on it? That's because, today I'm testing something, and for two, I just feel like going here and Train Spot. So, I decided to Train Spot here for today to see how if there's any differences, and see what other trains we could get. So let's see what might happen. Train now approaching is a 319 going to Wilmslow. And we'll see this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a 319 going to Wilmslow. The girls asleep on the train. Who else will arrive and depart next on this station? Train now arriving is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street. This train goes when it departs. Now departing is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street. Again, I apologise for the people cutting off the tree over there. If it's a bit too loud, then put down the volume on wherever you're watching this video on. So let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Train now zooming past is a X-Brand Express train, class 800, going to Liverpool Line Street. This train now passing through is a Class 800 X-Brand Express train going to Manchester Airport. And that was a good two-tone from the driver. Let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Train now arriving is a 319 going to Winslow. See, this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a 319 going to Winslow. Let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Train now arriving is a 319 going to Liverpool Line Street. This train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a 319 going to Liverpool Line Street. Let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Now zooming past is a yeah, I was interrupted there, but that was a good two-tone from the train. That was a double 331 and that train is not in service. No idea why. So, yeah, let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Train now doing past is a class 185 going to Liverpool Line Street. 185. Okay, I was a bit late there because I was getting this, but the train to Grantham Pass is a Class 800 H-Man Express going to Manchester Airport. Actually, no, I'm wrong. It's actually cancelled. It's going. I think it's going straight to Manchester Airport. So, yeah. Let's see what else will come to next on the station. Now arriving is a 319 going to Winslow. See, this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a 319 going to Winslow. See what else will come next on this station. Train now zooming past is a Class 800 going to Liverpool Lime Street. See what else will come to part next on this station. Train now zooming past is a freight locomotive. See what else will come to part next on this station. Train now zooming past is a 1185 going to Manchester Airport. Let's see who else will come to part next on this station. Train now arriving is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street. We'll see how this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street. And that's the last train of my day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.